Hello friends, today I am going to share very useful tips how to store coriander and chilies for 1 month. How nice it is to enjoy these so fresh for such a long time. We use these two groceries for cooking almost every day. Thus it will be very handy to preserve fresh. Let's get started with coriander. First thing, make sure there is no moisture on the leaves as it's going to spoil leaves faster. Then take out any spoiled or discolored leaves. Once done, cut into half. I'm going to use plastic bottle with lid. I prefer bottle with wide mouth as it's easy to take the leaves. Place a kitchen tissue underneath and keep the leaves inside. Layer another tissue paper in the middle to absorb moisture. Close the bottle lid and store in fridge. It's going to stay fresh for 1 month easily. As you use the leaves for cooking, if you notice tissues getting wet, you can replace them halfway. Here is the proof. My coriander leaves close to 1 month. I usually don't change tissues. Still leaves stay fresh. You can see how greenish and fresh these leaves are. Barely 2 to 3 leaves got spoiled. Rest of the leaves are so good. Take out any spoiled or discolored leaves and store again in the fridge. Enjoy coriander leaves fresh for whole 1 month. Let's see how to store chilies. If you get chilies in bulk, try this way to store them fresh. As you know, chilies get spoiled from its stack. If you notice, fresh chili stack is always green, otherwise starts to turn black. Green stack chilies will stay fresh for longer time. Black one need to be used early. Thus let's sort out the chilies by stack's color. If you have time, separate out squishy spoiled ones, thin and orange colored ones. Throw away the spoiled ones. Use these thin chilies and orange colored first. Remove stacks on chilies. So no need to wrap, just keep it in Ziploc cover. Remove stacks for rest of the chilies. Now wrap them into kitchen tissue paper. Wrap again in newspaper as an extra layer. Keep in Ziploc cover and store in fridge. You will have fresh chilies for over a month. As you see, I made 3 sets. One for immediate use, the next one black stack, and the green ones to use last. Otherwise, just wrap all chilies in double layer and store in fridge. Hope you like my tips. Stay tuned for many more tips and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.